A dreidel is a spinning top with 4 different Hebrew letters on it. We each put chocolate
Fart.
into the...
Death.
We then get to spin the dreidel to see if we win all,
Fart.
half,
Fart.
none,
Fart.
or if we have to add more
Fart.
to the...
Death.
If you spin a shin, you put 1 in. If you spin a noon, you get none from...
Death.
If you spin hey, you get half. And if you spin gimel, you get the whole pot of...
Fart.
Wanna play? Great! There are 4 pieces in...
Death.
You start!